you're supposed to be decorating for Christmas in July.
It's some promotional thing we're doing for layaways.
Who's this guy?
It's that guy.
Do
right
any of you
there.
guys on my Facebook know who this motherfucker is? Because he stole
take a
my
picture,
coworkers
please.
of my motherfucking... See, look at that. He's snooping
Just
around.
being shady.
He's like, is that some stuff I could sell for some crack?
Little did
Some
he
crack.
know that's a 25.
It's like, oh yeah. What is that? What is that? Is that some crack rock? No, it can't be. It can't be. Oh, what's that? Is that a charger? It's a phone. That looks like a phone in the till. Nope, not in the till. It's a phone. That's a nice charger. I'ma just look around. Who is this son of a bitch? Boom.
There it goes.
I want to throw up.
What a fucking piece of shit.
Grabs his bag, red bag,
He fucks off.
and fucks off.